Hey Virgos, it's Mo9. My heater is on. The seasons are changing, so you're gonna hear it in the background humming until I fix my setup so that there's music. This is where we're at. I'm gonna give it about 2 weeks, and then I feel like I'll have the setup by we shall see. We shall see. But today we're just giving some insight. Whenever you see this, it's for you. Virgo, so many things came up that was really wild. Like, things may be emotionally heavy right now. Um, but you need to still keep moving forward. Not in a sense of like ignoring what's emotionally heavy right now, but acknowledging it and acknowledging the responsibilities that you have to take care of. There are things happening behind the scenes of a mentally heavy issue, emotionally heavy issue. That's more restorative. You may not be seeing it, but you did have the positive impact that you. They may be salty about the way you told them. You may have read their life. You may have read them to filth. But you got your point across. There are restorative things happening. Restoration is coming, is a long time coming. You know what I'm saying? So the restorative is coming. Let's shuffle on this. Sorry, I shuffle a lot, okay? I have to refocus sometimes. Ooh. So, looky here, looky here. Looky, looky, loo. So, poverty, a restoration of finances, or a restoration of a viewpoint of your financial state. We will be doing a money reading. But this is how things have been coming up for Zodiac signs. Jumping out. You can be, okay, yes, you are triggered by your financial state. Okay. I'm in the financial state of the world, girl. For real. But here's the thing. You're going to be more confident in just respecting where you're at and steps to just affirm yourself where you're at. This is like the revelation of like everybody's struggling. Like we're all going through it. And you can find harmony and peace amongst the times where you're not feeling as financially stable. You're still worthy despite it. And you're still deserving of peace. Also, these things will improve over time. The finances will be getting right. You just, you know, you'll be finding things to help you, people to assist you, places to assist you. Generosity, kindness. You deserve it. That's other people deserve it who are going through similar things. Like you just like there's restorative things happening. Things are getting better. There's kindness in the world still. Yep. And you will catch this message. You will receive this message about it. About things that were left a bad revelation in your psyche. Instead of a bad taste in your mouth, it was a bad revelation in your psyche. But it's freeing. Oh, it was triggering more than anything. But the restoration is coming, and that's really what matters. Things are going to get better. There is kindness that will come. There are routines that you will get out of that will... Getting out of these certain routines will help you to... What's the word? Have more fun. Do and experience more exciting things. This is also a reminder that like the people that you get help from are not the people that you think you would likely to be getting help from. So there's that. Let's talk about your money. It's been coming up sometimes of how I'm going to do this. So in the past, you were pretty nervous about how your finances were going. Now that you're able to think a little more outside the box, you like right now, it's best to do that. Be confident in your like not regular, not mundane things that you can do for financial growth. If you're an artist, art. If you're a singer, sing. If you're a mathematician, tutor, or whatever. I don't know what... I'm not a science one. If you're like... If you got a thesis to write, go. If you got a grant to write, do. If you have a submission you need to do, get into it, yeah. All of these things, and you can do them really confidently. Do your research, of course. Obviously get to know more information about what you're pursuing, because you just don't want to throw yourself into anything confidently. But know what you're getting yourself into. Research some things that are that aren't the everyday side hustle, and get into it. That is where you're at now. This is what you can embrace, because that is going to create so many opportunities for you. You ain't gotta do what everybody else is doing for work. And no shade to it, because we all still have our like regular mundane ass jobs. If you need that income too, okay. But this is saying Maybe even in your workplace if you need to. Think outside the box. Don't go with the flow. I mean, don't be out here just reckless. But like, you don't have to limit yourself. You can try something new. You could reach that new position. You can do it. Invest in the best way to do it. Invest it. Invest your time in finding out the best way to do it. Come on, come on. Success, people recognizing. I'm just like over to the side here. Be People give a fuck, and they will continue to, and you will enjoy your experience. Money's it's like not. It's more than money coming in. It's like community, support, expression, healing, freedom, feeling freer. That's what it is. Let's talk about your love life. Get into it, yeah. What love life, Virgo? What love life? Where is the love, the love, the love? Where is it? Where did it go? You just like me. That I love me. I'm taking care of me. I'm listening to me and the divine. Me. Okay. Okay, so there's a few things. Yo, go out and make some friends. I'm not saying, obviously be safe with your body and your space and what you will put up with. But you can make friends. Come on, look at these ghosts chilling and having a good time in the bright moonlight. You may find friends in a space where you're learning new things, a learning setting. I don't know. That's honestly your best bet right now, to find friends in places where you're learning new things. These people that you are not happy with from your past, they want back in, and I don't know how they're planting seeds of doing it. They're trying to build their own life, but yeah, if you have mutuals, they're trying to like get back into your graces. Ooh, in a bitch I've grown type of way. Yeah, there was some bullshit that happened here. And maybe they're like, I don't want this kind of heavy emotional burden or karmic weights. But you served them a little bit of what they needed. And anyways, Find friends that help you pursue knowledge. This will help you feel more fulfilled in your friendships. This was a romance reading, but this is about friends because you are not looking for romance right now. I don't even think romance is something you should be looking for, even if you're in a relationship. Make some friends. Like, I'm not saying neglect your partner if you're in a relationship, but get some homies, get some camaraderie. That'll help you really be more affirming in yourself as you maneuver through your relationship. You just need buddies. Yeah, you need friends. Cause you gotta have friends. Yeah, you're lonely. You need people to kick it with. We're talking about friends and family. Look, your friends are gonna help you find financial opportunities. They're gonna kick it with you. Y'all gonna hang out. Y'all gonna talk about your feelings. I don't know if Virgos talk about their feelings, but I have gotten them to. Tell me how you're feeling. How does it make you feel? You're going to talk about things that are emotionally mature, things that you're excited about. Like, talk to your buddies. Go ahead and get uplifted by your friends. And if you don't feel like you don't have friends, get into a setting where you are learning something and you will find friends. Definitely a pursuit of knowledge space. Whatever that is to you. A bookstore, a library, a class, a free form space where you can just, like, sometimes they have like open mics, artist open spaces, study hall spaces, cafes where you're reading or something. Just like something where you're learning. So a kung fu class, whatever, learning spaces, things where you're enthusiastic about. If you already feel like you have friends that you could go to, go hang out with them. They're going to help you find money opportunities. They're going to help you feel stable and special and reaffirm you. So there's always that. What's this? You can talk to them about whatever addictions you're going through, anything that you feel like is holding you back, and they'll help you find, again, opportunities of growth, places where you can be more stable and find more opportunities to take care of your responsibilities, as well as do healing things that you probably thought you never could do before. Hang out with your buddies, Virgo. Hang out with your friends. Let's get an additional message and we out. Boom. Okay, that's been the This star card has been jumping out. You've seen it a few times if you're watching the video and not just listening to this. Which is whatever. It's out. You see it. You see her. You see it. Keep shining. Feel free to keep shining. Hold yourself to the standard that you want, but understand you're not perfect, so you don't have to be. And heal. Heal. Don't be afraid to shine. Don't be afraid to be seen. All right, Virgo, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for watching this. Hey, was this helpful? I hope so. I like doing Zodiac readings. But I know one thing. I'll see you in the next one. Hit that description box. You can subscribe if you're not subscribed. See you. Peace.